Now come to page number 19. First of all, write today's date 13.05.20. Write P1 here. Open the bracket. We will study about the root system in detail. Listen carefully. The root system of a plant includes its roots. The roots of a plant are present below the ground. They hold the plant in the soil and absorb water and other nutrients from the soil. Roots are of two types, taproot and fibrous root. Children, you all know that plants have two major parts. The part of the plant which is above the ground, it is called the shoot system, and the part of the plant which is below the ground is the root system. Now roots come in which part of the plant? Yes, roots come in the root system. The root system of a plant includes its roots. And where are these roots present? These roots are present below the ground. Now what is the function of the root? The function of the root is that they hold the plant in the soil. Children, because of this roots only that plants are able to stand firmly in the soil, and they absorb water and other nutrients from the soil. When you water the plants, you water on the ground, you water on the soil. Why you water on the soil? Because from the soil only the roots, they absorb water and the other nutrients, and then they transport it to the other part of the plants. Now we will study about the two types of root. All the plants, they have root. Now these roots are of two types. First is the taproot and then is the fibrous root. Now we will study about taproot and fibrous root. Before that, first mark these three new words. Number 1 is nutrients, number 2 is taproot, and number 3 is fibrous root. Now now we will study about taproot. Taproot is the main thick root that grows from the base of the stem. See, this part is above the ground, this part is below the ground, and this is the base of the stem. From this base of the stem, the roots grow. They grow under the ground. Now taproot, the taproot, they are the main thick root, and from this thick root the small roots are growing, and this taproot goes deep inside the soil. Now which plant have taproots? Plants like carrot, radish, turnip, bean and mustards have taproot. Now I am reading, listen carefully. Taproot is the main thick root that grows from the base of the stem. This thick root goes deep inside the soil. Many small roots grow from this main thick root. Plants such as carrot, radish, turnip, bean and mustard have taproot. Now fourth new word is mustard. Now we will study about fibrous root. Fibrous root consists of a bunch of thin and bushy roots that grow together from the base of the stem. Plants such as grass, rice, wheat and onion have fibrous root. Now see, this is the diagram of taproot and this is the diagram of fibrous root. In taproot there is one main thick stem, but in fibrous root there is no main stem. These root, they grow in a bunch. They grow in a bunch. एक गुच्छे की तरह होती हैं इनकी. Now see, now which plant have such kind of root? Plants like grass, rice, wheat and onion have fibrous root. Now mark this fifth new word, wheat. All of you have marked 5 new words. Now I will show you one flow chart. How many types of roots are there? There are 2 types of root. First is taproot and the other is fibrous root. Taproot have one main thick root, but fibrous root, they don't have one main thick root. They grow in thin and bush. They are thin and bush roots that grow together. They grow together. Now which plants have taproot? Plants like carrot, radish, bean. And which plants have fibrous root? Plants like grass, rice and wheat, they have fibrous root. Okay, now I will tell you some functions of root. Roots are an important part of the plant. The main function of the roots are given below. First is they hold the plant firmly in the soil. I told you this earlier that because of this roots only plants are able to stand firmly in the soil. Second is they absorb water and minerals from the soil. That roots only, they absorb water and mineral from the soil and transport it to the other part of the plant. Now this one, the last one, the some roots are also stored food in them. For example, carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip. Carrot is an example of taproot, है ना? And turnip is also an example of taproot. Now these roots, they store food in them. We eat this root, we eat carrot also, we eat turnip also. Why? Because they have stored food. Carrot has stored food. Now if I ask you give some example of roots that store food in them. So what are the examples? Carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip. Okay, now mark the sixth word, beetroot. Sixth word, close the bracket, write here, P1 ends here. Now in this paragraph we have 6 new words. Your homework is you will read this page 2 times